Today we are going to be making an ice carousel. First thing to do is to test the thickness of the ice. Alright, we have a 20-inch bar, so the ice looks like it's just about 20 inches deep, which could pose a little bit of a problem sometimes, but we will give it a try. We're going to start by putting a pole in the center and using a rope to create the large circle. Hey, good morning, Rick. So the one we're doing today is going to be 35, 36 feet in with the radius, so about 70 feet across.
Yeah, you want a gap on your side, just for any.
That's not a good sign.
Uh-oh.
Froze, Pete.
Alright, want to take over? Someone want to take over?
No, you're good.
Alright, someone else. I'm getting lightheaded.
Next we're going to cut about 12, 15 inches down, not all the way to the water, and we're going to mark out the entire circle. So we got the first circle marked up, now we're going to start marking up the second circle. Now we're going to cut all the way through to the water. Slice small sections of the ice, push them underneath the carousel.
Yeah, there you go.
This is taking much longer than we had anticipated. Hopefully we'll get it done before the sun sets. Well, we finally have it all cut out, and now we're trying to get it started to spin around, see if it's loose.
Move it up. Oh, it's moving.
It's moving.
It's moving, we're good.
Moving? Yeah.
It's moving.
Alright.
It's pretty, like a little phone.
Looks cool. Do you want us to cut a hole?
Now that we've got the carousel free, we're going to add a motor to give it a little bit of speed. One of the things that we learned was that you don't really need a motor. You just need some ice scrapers and lodge them in the side and push it around. That will keep it going for quite a long time.
This is actually a very weird sensation.
Pulling, hi there! Pulling ice
Till 6 o'clock.
Wow. Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Well, it's truly a miracle.